Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, we're just going to create a couple of simple programs. Basically, if we don't enter something into the input box, it will tell us to enter something. So here we go. I'm going to create this subroutine. User empty. Okay, now I'm going to create my scalar input data. There we go. And then we're going to print a message to the user so the user knows what to do. Enter something. So here the user is going to enter something into the input box. That's going to be my scalar entry is equal to standard input. Okay, chomp scalar entry. Okay, so if scalar entry the user types into the input box, it's sorry about whoops, what have I done? Oh, it's equal to scalar input data. Then we're going to do something. 1 second. Print you must enter something else. Going to print you entered and the scalar entry and a new line. Okay, let's give it a run. So this is called user empty. Let's just save that. Let's just run it. Okay, enter something. Let's just put nothing in there, just hit return. You must enter something. Let's just make that look a little bit better there. Okay, let's run it again. Enter something. Hello. Hello. There we go. You entered hello. Okay, let's go on to the next method here. Just clear that. Sub user entry 2. Print enter something. Okay, my scalar entry is equal to standard input. Okay, if scalar entry is equal to then we're going to do print you must enter something. New line character. Or else print you entered. It's going to be scalar. Entry. Okay, this is going to be user entry 2. We'll just save it and we'll run it. Enter something, so I'm just going to hit return. You entered. Just got a slight problem here. Let's just work this out. Okay, everybody. This is the problem, so we're just going to type in chomp, and that's going to be scalar entry. Okay, this should fix the problem. Let's just save it. Let's run it. Okay, so it says enter something, so I'm just going to hit return. There we go. You must enter something. Okay, let's try it again. Let's enter something into this input box. So, hello. You entered hello. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope that's been useful, and remember, as always, before you leave, if you've not done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.